What is up? What is up, my high level heroes? Or if you're new to high level and you're not sure who I am, my name is Jennifer Kasmer, and I help take business owners from barely surviving to abundantly thriving, not only in their business, but also in their lives through lead gen, automations, and marketing. So today, I'm going to share with you how I'm actually helping a client. His name's Brent. Kind of get away from some of the manual transactions that are happening within his business right now and automate or free flow the whole transaction from the time that the client books to the time that they, need to be checked in and show up for their appointment. So basically right now he has, Acuity, that kicks over to Zap, which then kicks over to highlevel. And I'm going to actually take his clients and remove them from the Acuity software, which is where they book now, and start having them book through highlevel. In order to do that, we've already set him up a calendar. We've set him up a semi-private calendar. We're going to set him up a private calendar as well later. But his semi-private is the bulk of his clients, and they train from 5 a.m. in the morning until 10 a.m. And he offers them every half hour on the half hour. So 5, 5:30, 6, 6:30, and so on. And he has up to 3 clients. So I set up his calendar so that way he had appointment times 5, 5:30, 6, all the way through up until 9:30 being his last appointment since he's done at 10. And every single half hour time slot allows for 3 people to book that time slot. And I set it up for a 0 buffer in between those because he does them kind of as a rolling. So what we have here that you can see on my screen is BK's SPPT, and that stands for BK semi-private personal training. And that's the calendar that he has set up right now. If somebody was onboarding for the first time, they would set up on 3 risk-free PT, and his virtual assistant would set up the first initial appointment, and then he would transition them to setting up their own via a link, and semi-private and his private will be done the same way. Now, in order to get the calendar code that is necessary to give to the clients so they can either book through their mobile via a SMS text that they received or via an email that they received, this is where he would find that. So the calendar code, and you would go to the drop down and you would select the relevant calendar that aligns with the ones that he wants to send for those particular clients. This can be done as well for, dentists that have cleanings versus root canals or versus crowns, things like that, because obviously all of those different appointment times have different time lengths that are needed for them, or different people that they would book with. Okay, so you can set up a variety of different calendars within highlevel, and then you would send out the appropriate link for those people to book through those links. Okay, so this link would be the one that we would send for an SMS and email campaigns. And then this right here is the embed code that we would place on his website. So thank you for joining me today for the high level, how Brent is going to have his clients book via his website or mobile. If you have any questions about high level or want to know more about it, drop your comment below. I'd love to go into it. It has absolutely amazingly automated my business from start to finish. I can't even tell you how much easier everything has been made for me. And the transactions that I used to do between opening up 40 to 50 different platforms in a day and setting up Zapier's or third-party API integrations have now all been solved because highlevel has done an amazing job at merging all those processes, systems and processes into one easy platform. And when I say easy, I mean very easy to use, and the functionality is outstanding. So if you have questions about that, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help, and I'd love to help get you started with the high level software so you can start scaling your business and spend less time in it. And I will keep these videos coming each and every week. And until then, I will see you next weekend. Thanks.